Let's turn this glass of red wine into homemade barbecue sauce. Cooking with red wine is a fast and easy way to impart rich and luscious flavor to all sorts of recipes. You know those bottles of store-bought barbecue sauce that claim to be bold and smoky, but end up tasting sugary and watered down with a side of artificial smoke? Yeah, hard pass. Skip the mass-produced stuff and get into a sauce that will knock your socks off, thanks to a few powerhouse California-grown ingredients that bring the heat, the depth, and the delicious. Here's what sets this sauce apart from the rest. Garlic and yellow onion infuse the whole sauce with flavor. It has umami richness from the tomato-based Dijon and red wine, sweetness from brown sugar and molasses, and smoky heat from chipotle chile, which adds depth without melting your face off. This easy homemade barbecue sauce recipe has layers and layers of flavor. Whether you're brushing it over grilled chicken or dunking your sweet potato fries into it, you can expect a string of texts requesting the recipe.